You've seen these types of videos on social media, right? They rack up millions of views, gain tons of engagement, and skyrocket subscriber counts. But the problem? You don't know how to make them. Don't worry. Creating these viral videos is super easy because they're all made with AI. You're just a few simple steps away from making your own viral masterpiece, and I'm going to guide you through the entire process from start to finish. I know YouTube is a game of hard work, luck, and patience, and earning money through YouTube is a bit different. That's why I got you an easy way to make money online. You can make money by just using social media like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. If you're looking for an easy way to make money online, just check the link I've given in the description and pinned comment. To get started, you need an image prompt that will generate the perfect AI image for your video. Open your browser and go to ChatGPT. Once you're in, head over to the chat section and paste the special prompt I've shared in the description. This prompt is designed to generate multiple high-quality image descriptions tailored for AI image creation. After pasting the prompt, click on the option that allows ChatGPT to generate different variations for you. Take a moment to browse through the responses and pick the one that resonates the most with the type of video you want to create. Now that we have the perfect image prompt, it's time to bring it to life with stunning AI-generated visuals. Open a new tab and search for Leonardo AI. Click on the official website and sign up using your Google, Apple, Microsoft, or email account. Once you're logged in, click on the Image Creation tab to start generating images. You'll want to adjust some settings before generating. First, in the preset section, select Flux Dev to get the best results. Next, under the Style section, choose 3D Render for a highly detailed and cinematic look. Finally, in the Image Dimension section, click More and select the appropriate size, whether it's for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy one of the AI-generated image prompts, and paste it into the Leonardo AI prompt section. Click Generate and wait a few moments while the AI creates a stunning, high-resolution image for you. Once it's done, take a look at the generated images and choose the best one. Click Download to save it to your device. If you want to try out different variations, simply repeat the process with another prompt to create multiple images. With the AI-generated image ready, it's time to transform it into a dynamic video using AI animation tools. There are two powerful tools for this, Hailuo AI and Kling AI. Stick around till the end because we're going to compare the results of both so you can choose the best one for your needs. First, let's use Hailuo AI. Open your browser, search for Hailuo AI, and go to the official website. Sign up or log in with your Google account. Once you're in, click on Create and then select Image to Video. Click Upload and select the AI-generated image you downloaded from Leonardo AI. Now, to ensure the best video output, we need a specialized video animation prompt. Go back to ChatGPT and type, "I want you to create an image-to-video prompt for each of these prompts." ChatGPT will generate highly detailed prompts specifically for converting your image into a video. Copy the prompt that best matches your image and paste it into Hailuo AI's prompt section. Click Generate and wait as the AI animates your image into a video. Keep in mind, Hailuo AI allows you to create up to 3 videos for free per day. Once your video is ready, take a look at the results and click Download to save it. Now let's try Kling AI and see how it compares. Open your browser, search for Kling AI, and enter the official website. Sign in using Google, Apple, or email. Once inside, click on AI Videos, then navigate to the Frames tab. Click Upload, and select the AI-generated image you created earlier with Leonardo AI. Next, copy and paste the ChatGPT-generated video prompt into the designated prompt section. Scroll down and set the video duration to either 5 or 10 seconds, depending on the effect you're going for. Once everything is set, click Generate and wait while Kling AI processes the animation. When the video is ready, review the output and click Download to save it. Now that we have 2 videos, one created with Hailuo AI and the other with Kling AI, which one do you think looks better? Let me know in the comments below. We're almost done, but there's one final step, removing watermarks and making some final edits. Open CapCut and import your AI-generated video. Drag the video into the timeline and adjust the settings. Click on Ratio and select 16:9 to make it suitable for YouTube and TikTok. If you notice any watermarks, click on Crop and adjust the frame until they're removed. Once you're happy with the adjustments, click confirm and slightly zoom in to make the video full screen. Finally, export your video in the highest possible quality, and it's ready to be uploaded on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. And that's it. You've just created a viral AI-generated video from scratch. This tutorial, like all my educational content, has come to an end. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe because I have even more incredible content coming your way. Thanks for sticking around till the end. Until next time, goodbye.